Alright, now that you've mastered looping and repeating things, let's take a little time to have some fun and pimp out your bot and add a little bit of bling to it. So there's a couple extra blocks down here. One is you have display, you have sound, and you have the status lights that you can manipulate. So let's add a little sound. I'm going to drag a sound block, and after every corner in my turn, my square, I want it to play a little sound. So my sound block has a few different modes. I can play a file, or I can play a tone, or I can play a keyboard note. So selecting any of those modes will change your options up here. Let's say I wanted to play a file. I come up here and I haven't selected a file. I have the volume of the file. So if I hover over that, it's at 100% volume. And this is just how long it's going to play it. Does it play it till the sound is done, or does it repeat the sound over and over again? And you can play around with how that affects your program on your own. But up here in the little file name, there's nothing. So I need to click there and it'll open up some of the sound files I can have. So if I go into the Lego sounds, I see I have all kinds of different things. So I can look through there and I can put a little boing sound at the end, and it made a boing sound. So let's try that. So it's going to try boing. Every time it does a corner, it's going to make this boing sound. Let's run our program and see what happens. So there you go. We've added a little bit of bling. Now you can get totally crazy with that and add some other things. Play around with some of these other bricks. Like you could have it do a little flashy dance at the end and turn on some lights when it plays. Play the red light once it's done. You can add in some other displays. You could have it display some text and letters like that. I'm just going to leave that open for you to mess around with and try to get your robot so it drives its square with style.